Hi friends, welcome back to Prashant's Knowledge Center. In this video, we will learn about the data types in C language. First of all, let us know what are all the data types and what does the data type means. A data type tells that a particular value of data that can be stored in the variable. For example, if we are using the variable name A and in that variable name A, what is the type of data we want to store? That is called the data type. For example, if we want to store a decimal number in variable a, that is a 5.5 or 5.6 like that, then we will use float data type. If we want to use the whole number or an integer, just like the number 4 5 6 like that, any number we want to store in an alphabet with a variable name a, then we will use int type of data type. Or else if you want to use a character a b c like that in individual single character, then we want to use the data type as char. Actually in C there are four types of data types, that is basic, derived, enumeration and void. These are all the four types of data types which are used in C. Let us go in detail what is the basic data type. Basic data type means int, char, float, double. These are the basic data types. Derived data types. Derived data types means arrays, pointers, structures and union. These are the derived data types. In detail we will see about each and every topic in the next coming classes. And enumerated data type. This is enum. Enum is the code for that keyword for that data type. And void data type. Void is a keyword for that particular type of void data type. These are all the types of data types used in C. And next, memory allocation and memory size for each data type. What is the memory that can be used for each type of data type? For char, 1 byte of memory is used, and it is in the range of minus 128 to 127. And signed character, unsigned character, same 1 byte of memory size is used. For integer type, int, 2 bytes, signed and unsigned int, integer type, 2 bytes is used. For float type of data type, 4 bytes of memory is used. For double, 8 bytes, and for long double, 10 bytes of memory is used. And next, format specifier. What is a format specifier? For example, if we are using a data type, means you want to write an integer into the display of the program, output of the program, then you should use a format specifier. Which format of data you are willing to get on the output, that format you have to specify. For that there are some format specifiers. For example, if you are using an integer, then you will be using percentile d or percentile I to get the integer output or a whole number output on the screen. If you are using a float decimal point number, then you will be using percentile f. This you will be writing in the printf function. In the printf function, you will be specifying this type of format specifiers. How we will write that, we'll see the syntax later in the program. We'll do a program and we'll see the syntax. And for a double, you will be using percentile lf. For character, percentile c. And for strings, you will see percentile s. Regarding the strings, we'll see what is the string in the later on classes. Actually, the string is a text what we give in the program, that we'll see in the later classes. In this, first we will see a program, how these are used. We will see a basic program. I'll go to file and open a new file, new program, and here I'll write the source code of the program. As I told, we have to write the header files first with the preprocessor directive. These are the header files I have written. And next function is starting here, void main. And next program starts with the flower bracket, open flower bracket. And now I am assigning a value. This is a variable name a. For that I am assigning a value 5. This is the integer type. And float, decimal type, I am assigning a value. Each and every statement, end of the statement will be with semicolon in C program. Next, I am giving printf. Means I want to print the number on the screen by using the printf command, printf function. In this, we want to print the value of a, double quotes, a equal to, just for giving the output a equal to, it will be displayed there for easy understanding. A equal to, now a is a integer, so we will be using percentile d and double quotes close, comma, a. Now a will be printed in the output. This function is completed, and this is statement, printf statement is completed. Then semicolon, next get ch, close the program. Now you check for the errors. How to check for the errors? Alt F9. There are 0 errors, but one warning. What is that warning? B is assigned a value that is never used. Okay, no problem. We'll see about it later. It is telling that we have assigned a value to the B and it is not being used in the program. We'll see it later. Now we will see the output of the program. Control F9. See here, A equal to 5 it was displayed. Now press any key, it will go back. You have given printf a equal to mind percentile d. Percentile d is the format specifier, means it will specify that it is the integer value and it is giving the value output as 5. For example, if you are giving b and you are giving percentile d, what it will come, we'll see. Now check for errors. It will not show error. There is nothing error in the program, but when you have format specifier, you have given in the different way. Control F9. Here it is showing a equal to 5, b equal to 0 double. To avoid that confusion, here at the starting of the function, if you give CLR SCR, means initially it clears the all old data in the screen. CLR SCR function. Now you check for the output. Now the present output is b equal to 0. As actually we have given the b value as 5.6, but b is a decimal value. Here you have given the format specifier as integer value, so it is showing 0. If you give percentile f, means that is the float value, then now it will show the correct value. See, b equal to 5.6, it is showing the value. For example, you want to get both a and b output. Here you write both. Printf a equal to, that is a whole number, so you write percentile d and a. Now you check for output. Here you are getting a equal to 5 and b equal to 5.6. Both are coming in the same line. Now you want to get in the second line b value. So you give here slash n. Slash n means next line. See, a equal to 5, it is getting, after format specifier we are given slash n. So the next printf statement is going to the second line. This is for giving the comment. It will not be treated as a program, it will be treated as only the comment. Slash n indicates next line, like that. And here percentile f, it is giving some 4 zeros after that. You want to change that. Now only after decimal 2 points are coming. Why I have given 0.2, means after decimal point 2 numbers is required for us. So only 2 numbers is coming. Like this. If you change it to 3, after decimal 3 values will be displayed. 3, like that. 6000. Like that we can adjust the decimal values also. This is about the data types and the format specifiers. By a simple program, we have seen this data types and format specifiers in this class. And in the next classes, we'll see in detail. Thank you friends. Please subscribe Prashant's Knowledge Center.